Okay, thanks for tuning in to Jeff Outdoors. This is the Ohio Maple Weather Report coming to you, and it is Monday, January 6th, 6:12 p.m. Eastern Time, and what we're concerned here is about when will we be tapping maple trees in Ohio, and we're going to take a look at the weather here real quick. We've had some developments of the snowstorm and everything that's been coming through the U.S. over the past 24 hours, and thought I'd pop in. So if you're in Ohio, this is for you. All you other guys that live down south in the warm and the heat, and you have all the tornadoes and stuff this year, I'm not talking about you. But here's Ohio. Okay, we're in northern Ohio, and this is the region. Most of the maple syrup is made here in northeast Ohio, which we actually fall into. So even though maple syrup is produced throughout the state, most of it is in our northeast Ohio area. So all you maple guys down there in southeast Ohio, down around, what do we got? We got Woodsfield, we got getting into Guernsey County down there in Cambridge, Marietta, down to Athens, Chillicothe, and all you small town guys in between. You got the snow and the ice right now, so I got nothing to say about you guys. You won't be tapping anytime soon. As a matter of fact, we'll see here. I'm not real sure anybody in Ohio is going to be tapping anything real soon, which is fine with me. We'll start off with the European model. Let's see here. And this is Ohio here. This is the current state of things as the storm went through, but we're just going to scroll left to right. We're going to see progression over maybe like the next week, and you'll see the cold come dipping down into the United States. And from all the models I've looked at, it's going to keep us cold for a while, probably the entire month of January. So here we go. Up at the top left here, I'm going to scroll, and you can just kind of watch the blue. These blue bands here, that's the cold. Red is the warm. And we'll just see it progress. You'll see pockets of blue. The blue is the snow, the precipitation. The pinks are going to be your ice formations. And you can see here, I'll back it up just a little bit. That's coming into January 10th. Into Saturday the 11th, we've got plenty of snow over the state of Ohio. That's not far off. That's coming up this weekend, so we got more snow on the way. We'll continue on. You can look up towards Manitoba. They're coming down over Minnesota, Wisconsin. We've got some more lake effect coming into northern Ohio, northeast Ohio. You guys up in Ashtabula, Willoughby, Menor, all the way up to Conneaut. You guys, Middlefield. You guys are going to get some more snow off the lake this winter for sure. And you can see that it kind of continues there. And even into the 15th. Now this is long range projection. Some of this can change, but most of the models are saying the same thing and keeping that cold weather. Boom, right there on the 19th, we've got some more snow. This is, again, the European model. So this is just one thing that I look at. And you can see that here. We'll just do it again real quick, starting over. This is today, January 6th, and we're going to just play that progression. See the snow pop in and out of Ohio here. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Staying cold, staying cold, staying cold. And we're going to back that up a little bit so you can see this again here. That's the 19th. So, again, that could change. We'll look at the other model. This is the GFS. And we'll take a look at this one as well. You can see some of this kind of parallels each other. Some of these models parallel each other. So this is right now. This is going into Tuesday, progressing. Keep watching Ohio. We're right here. You can see some bands coming off Lake Erie there. And got another storm moving in, coming up from the south. You guys are going to have some ice down there in Georgia. So they'll shut down the whole state there, I'm sure. You guys got to get some salt trucks down there. Anyways, snow moving into Ohio. Bam, bam, bam. That's the 11th. And you can see the comparison. I'll switch over. So definitely some snow coming this weekend. There's the 11th on the European. There's the 11th on the GFS. The GFS is a longer range model, so that's going to keep continuing. And you can see that trend hitting pockets of snow pretty much almost every day. There's some kind of flurries going on. And then the 16th, that 15th, 16th time frame is showing some more snow as well. So let's go back to this European. You can see 14, 15. Got a little bit of snow there on Ohio. Got some snow there on Ohio on the 15th, 16th. So we're going to be watching that, and that continues on. So this right here, we're on the GFS. We're progressing through the month. A lot of blue bands there that you can see up and down. That's all cold front, and that is moving through. And then we'll do the last one here. This is the Canadian model, just to compare, and why the heck not. So this is today, January 6th, and we're going to progress left to right for as far as this model will take us. You can see the blue bands hitting over Ohio as we go. There's that storm again on the 11th, and the 11th, a little bit maybe into the 12th with some more flurries, but you can see the steady stream coming off Lake Erie. So you guys up in Ashtabula, Bissell Maple up there, you guys have gotten lots of snow already, but you've got more coming. So you guys are the snow belt. We're just outside the snow belt where I'm at, so it's hit or miss for us, but right now we've got about 4 inches on the ground. And then here's the 14th, 15th. Remember what we said? 14th, 15th, we've got some snow coming in. Potentially, these models are kind of agreeing. So, and then here, the 16th. Excuse me. 15th, 16th. So, yeah, look at that. We got plenty of cold, and it looks like plenty of snow coming for the month of January, so that'll be pretty cool as far as I'm concerned. I want to keep the roots of these trees. I want them to get nice and cold and frozen. Maybe come mid-February, get those trees tapped and elongate that season, maybe in through March. So we're just going to watch and see how that goes. Here is, I brought this up, but this is pretty rudimentary at this point. This is the snowfall totals. Projected snowfall totals. Just open that all the way. So we'll just back this up. We'll do a progression. This is starting from tomorrow, the 7th. We're going to go left to right. You can see snow totals here. That's 0. You can kind of see once I move the cursor around, you get some 2-3 inches up here. Yada yada. So here we're going to go through Ohio here, and we're going to see those snow totals. Those snow totals will go up. See, there's that big storm this weekend, 11-12. Let's see what we're saying for there. So, geez, we might get 3 to 5 inches this weekend. That would be my personal projection, but according to this Kuchera model is actually pretty accurate. I think most weather guys look at the Kuchera when they look at snow totals for forecasting a lot. You can see over here, New York City, New England. You guys probably get some ice out of there. That moisture coming out of the Gulf is working its way east, so watch that. But back here in Ohio, we're looking at maybe 3 to 5 this weekend. We'll get the snow plow out. and get that going again. We did a little plowing the other day when we got our few 3 inches just to make it nice and neat out there. But and here's some more on the 16th. There's that 16th again. So there's another 2-3 inches possibly. So we could have a foot of snow on the ground sitting around the trees come tapping time, maybe, if it keeps going like this into February. So hey, we'll take it, and we like to have that snowpack. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. This is Jeff Outdoors. This is maple weather for Ohio, and we'll post back here ever so often as the maple season progresses, and go from there. Come on.